All right. This is pretty straightforward. It's a historical fiction story called The Molly Pitchers. It's historical fiction because the sister who's telling it and her sister Betsy and their family aren't a real family, but set during the American Revolution. And this Molly Pitcher, this woman that was part of the American Revolution, that part is real. Okay, so they're referring to this story that appeared in the newspaper. That part is true, just this particular people that are talking are not. Okay. First thing, circle 3 words with silent letters. They can be the ones that we talked about, so G, N, W, R, etc. Or a word like would, W-O-U-L-D, has a silent L if you would want to do a word like that. But there are 3 that we talked about. Who or what got the name Molly Pitcher? What did Mother tell Betsy she couldn't do and why? Why did Betsy's sister feel both relief and admiration at the end? Okay, talks about I felt instant relief. Still, I greatly admired her courage. So what was this mix of emotions? What was that all about? And then underline details that support your answer. If you need help, I am more than happy to read it with you. You can always use text to speech. If you still don't understand the questions, we can talk about it. I do want to make sure that you are trying your best, but if you are trying your best and you're still confused, that is okay, and I am more than happy to at least give you some clues, even if I don't tell you all the answers. All right, good luck.